Hi, my name's Christy, and in this episode I'm going to teach you about the word study procedures we use at Concord Elementary School in second grade. The spelling program that we use is called Words Their Way, and this program is different from your traditional spelling because it teaches kids to examine words, and they're trying to discover regularities, patterns, and conventions in the English language. So the word study program is really teaching students how to look at words so they have a deeper understanding of how words work. Our emphasis is on words and patterns in words, and this really provides a hands-on opportunity for students to manipulate word features and to look at words in a little bit different way. So each week at school, we will be meeting in groups for the lesson and for a weekly test. During the teacher lesson, the teacher may be teaching the students about the sort for the upcoming week. Here's an example using one of our SMART slides. You can see this week's lesson is about compound words. So the headers they chose for this week are book, light, snow, and down. And then they usually give an example word for each category. The example word is bold. So this is bookcase, lighthouse, snowstorm, downpour. And as a class, then we would talk about what we notice about these words and look for patterns. Students are then given the opportunity to decide and to sort the words. So bookshelf would go with book because it has the word book. Headlight would go with light. Countdown. Snowplow. While the students are sorting, we're really asking the students to say the word out loud and to think about why they chose the category that they did. During the lesson, the teacher may be also working in small groups, working with students and showing them how to do the correct sort. After the teacher has taught the lesson and given the test from the week before, students will be asked to cut and sort words. Students will then be asked to read the words to an adult to check for pronunciation and correct sorting. While the students are sorting their words, they are really working on hands-on manipulative activities. They're engaged in the active process of sorting the words into like categories, and they're making their own connections as they're doing the sort. After an adult has read the words and checked to make sure that the sort is correct, students will copy their sorted words into a journal. And then if there's still time, students may play a game or choose a word study activity. This will be happening each week at school. At the end of the day, students will take home a new spelling sort. And at home, we're asking students to cut and sort their words again for practice. When students are cutting and sorting their words at home, we're asking as parents that you watch the students sort their words and listen for correct pronunciation of the word and to make sure the word is in the correct category. You'll notice this student is saying the name of each word each time to help her practice and learn her new spelling pattern. After the students have cut and sort their words at least one time during the week, there are other ways that you can practice words at home. Students can sort their words, they can play a game on spelling city, students can write words, they can quiz themselves, and there's many other activities that you may have at home. One of the games we play at school is we have the kids do memory where they'll put all their words upside down and they'll try to find words that follow the same pattern. Each week, students will be completing the word study at school with their teacher and word study at home. I hope this episode has really shown you how word study works in second grade, and it gives you an idea of how you can help at home.